2005 Lotus Elise for sale. Cold start video. So it's a little tight in here, but hopefully you can see hand on the exhaust manifold there. Ice cold, hasn't been started. It's Monday morning, hasn't been started since Thursday of last week. Oh, no, Saturday, sorry. I took pictures on Saturday. Miles. Has a Mishimoto oil cooler upgrade, which, as I understand, helps to prevent cam wiping, which can happen with these motors. Otherwise, very original, very stock, very few mods. Has a factory sport exhaust, which sounds great.